Duh. You play the role, I'll be your animal. My mommy likes to sing along with me, but she won't sing the song if she reads all the lyrics. She'll pity the man I know. So you're a tough guy, like a really rough guy, just can't get enough guy, just always a bluff guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make you go from mad type. I'm the bad guy. Duh.